Welcome, friends! Wanna hunt for the best deals together? Subscribe to join me and check links below. Think a vacuum that needs brush maintenance can still be pet-friendly. Vertex flips that notion. Its self-cleaning power brush lifts shedding without a single hair jam, and field data shows it clears itself after each pass, sparing rewind. 30 feet cord reaches bedroom, 5.5 feet hose slips into tight gaps, and it delivers 1,344 watts, pulling 11.8 amperes. Dual clean power fins glide over hardwood then dig into a pile rug, pulling out cereal crumbs and buried dog fur in one swing, a pattern echoed across homes. HEPA filter traps 99.9% of dust, while 1-quart dust cup holds enough for a full apartment run. And LED lights expose crumbs. Verdict: perfect for busy pet owners who demand deep carpet power and allergen-tight cleanliness in a sleek machine.